How was a domus constructed? Have you ever wondered how the ancient Romans built their homes? The domus, a typical urban house for wealthy citizens, was constructed with remarkable techniques and materials. Let's break down the process of building a domus step by step. First, the foundation was key. Builders used stone or concrete to create a solid base. This foundation was crucial for supporting the entire structure. The walls were made from Roman concrete, known as opus cementitium. This concrete was a mixture of lime mortar, volcanic sand, water, and small stones or rubble. Builders poured this mixture into wooden molds to shape the walls. Once the concrete set, they faced the walls with various materials for added strength and decoration. Now let's talk about the wall-facing techniques. One method was opus incertum, which used irregular small stones embedded in the concrete. This created a rough texture. Another technique was opus reticulatum, where small, pyramid-shaped tufa blocks were arranged in a diagonal pattern, giving a decorative look. There was also opus testatium, which involved thin, flat bricks arranged in patterns for both support and beauty. Lastly, opus mixtum combined stone blocks and brickwork, especially at corners and edges for added strength. The layout of a domus was quite functional. It centered around an atrium, an open courtyard that provided light and ventilation. Surrounding this space were various rooms, including bedrooms, dining rooms, and sometimes an office or reception area. The walls and columns were carefully planned to create these distinct spaces. When it came to roofing, the Romans used timber frameworks covered with terracotta tiles. These sloped roofs allowed rainwater to drain into an impluvium, a shallow basin in the atrium designed to collect rainwater for household use. The construction methods used for a domus made for sturdy and fire-resistant homes. Builders could complete these structures relatively quickly using concrete and brick. The combination of materials and techniques allowed Romans to create both functional and elegant living spaces that reflected their social status. In essence, the domus was built with a concrete core, various wall-facing techniques, a central atrium, and timber roofs. This construction method combined durability, practicality, and beauty, showcasing the ingenuity of Roman architecture.